Good day, sir. This is our report in criteria on damage stability. Damage stability in SOLAS Chapter 2-1 refers to a ship's ability to remain afloat and stable after sustaining damage, such as flooding. This is achieved through various design features and operational procedures aimed at minimizing the impact of damage and ensuring the vessel's survival. SOLAS Chapter 2-1 specifically focus on the subdivision of passenger ships into watertight compartments to ensure they remain afloat and stable after assumed damage.
Ban, sabi usa. Ban. Pero ano? Last. Ban. This one. Ban. Yung mabara. Ban.
Search and explain the basics of damage stability determination in a relationship that's to SOLAS Chapter 2-1 criteria on damage stability.
Ban.
Damage stability means a ship must be able to stay afloat and not tip over even if part of it is damaged and water gets inside. To make this happen, ships are built with special watertight walls called bulkheads. Inside the hull, this divide the ship into compartments, like having many separate rooms inside the bottom of the ship. If there's an accident and one part gets a hole and floods, only that compartment fills with water. The watertight holes stop the water from speeding so that ship can still float and stay balanced. SOLAS Chapter 2-1 is the rule book that tells shipbuilders how many compartments are needed and how strong that they must be, depending on the size and types of ship, especially for ships. It also makes sure that the ship are designed to survive certain certain types of damage. Crews how how to respond to flooding. There are plans and control damage. Ano to, sir?